2013, the world looks fine on the outside. Cities shine like polished glass. Clean streets, smart homes, talking fridges, and everything works like clockwork. But deep down, something's off. Something's missing. Kids don't play outside anymore. They go to class through screens, learn from robots with perfect grammar but zero heart.